Exercise number 10, 700. Ready? All who were present on those evenings, first up, we had a very good time at very little cost, and no one had the smallest desire to go out and make life difficult for some other person. First up, on the Saturday evenings, we generally had a party also, but they were much more free and easy and were certainly not planned with the idea of having a peaceful time. First up, we always asked the people next door to come to the parties so that they would not be upset by the sounds that without doubt issued from our house. First up, what a good time we used to have. First up, and it was a good time in which the whole family and any of their friends who wished to play a part. First up, I expect my mother had to work hard on Fridays, but we all did something to help, and there is no doubt that everyone seemed to like those weekends. First up, then came Monday morning, and I am sure that no one got out of bed a moment sooner than was really necessary, particularly when it was cold. First up, a week of hard work was before us. First up, day school and home work, office and evening school took up our time, and there was almost no time at all for play. First up, life was serious and we really worked hard. First up, our life at that time was made up of working hard throughout the week and playing hard at the weekend. First up, and it was a good enough way of growing up. First up, never for one moment did any of us ask ourselves what on earth we could do next. First up, there was always something waiting to be done, even if it was only ironing a dress or making a new one. First up, I grew up with the radio but no TV, the motor car but few planes. First up, my mother grew up without TV, the radio, the moving picture or the motor car. First up, people walked long distances in her days, but those who had enough money could keep horses. First up, people had to make their own pliers because very few ready-made pliers existed. First up, what we can be quite sure of is that in my mother's day, young people did not take up wrongdoing as a way of passing the time because they could not think of anything good worth doing. First up, wrongdoing was at that time thought of in connection with people living in very poor